Lesson 45 is resonance. And I'm not going to actually lecture for this much. I'm just going to ask you to go again onto YouTube and Google these things. Tacoma Bridge, sonic heart rate, breaking glass. Watch those things. You'll get a way better appreciation for what resonance is. Basically, all I will say about resonance is that everything has a natural frequency at which it vibrates. So if you take a glass, ding, and you click the glass with your, you flick the glass, it will go ding, and it will make a pitch, la, whatever that is. If you can then make that, if you can match that frequency, that pitch, at a certain volume, it will cause the glass to vibrate, and if it vibrates enough, it will eventually, since it's glass, it will eventually shatter or break. So that's why I want you to watch some videos on breaking glasses using your voice. And this one on the sonic heart rate is really cool. I love that video. And then there's the Tacoma Bridge, and the Tacoma Bridge is fascinating. I can't remember the year. I think it was in the 1940s, a bridge in Tacoma, Washington State, and it started swaying, and it started swaying just because the wind, the frequency of the wind was blowing at a specific frequency, and it caused the bridge to sway so much that the bridge actually collapsed. And so it was an engineering flaw, and they have to be very careful when they engineer bridges or when they engineer anything to make sure that if it's exposed to specific types of frequencies, it's not going to make it start, it's not going to cause it to break down. Now, that works in opposite to that. Buildings are actually designed so that they do sway a little under the wind. And anything that's earthquake proof, or not earthquake proof, that is tries to overcome the forces of earthquakes are built with the same ideas. Okay, so watch those videos and then read these notes. And the best example that when we're talking about resonance, it talks in your notes about swinging a child. When a child is on a swing and you push them, all you do, you just push them at a specific point, and all you have to do is push them a little bit at that specific point, and that causes them to go higher, right? You don't have to add a huge amount of energy as long as you do it at the right time, as long as you time it right when you're pushing a child on a swing. And then it talks about mechanical resonance, force frequency, and that's really it. If you watch those videos, or just go onto YouTube and Google physics resonance and watch some videos, and you will be all good on that lesson. And that brings us to the end of simple harmonic motion. The last section of Unit 4 is waves.